Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned kidney beans curry. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and about a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Make sure to drain and rinse 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans very well. This helps remove excess sodium. Finely chop your onion, and then mince the garlic and ginger. This preparation sets us up for a quick and flavorful curry base, saving you time in the kitchen. Now, let's build that delicious flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes, or until it becomes beautifully golden brown and softened. Next, stir in your minced garlic and ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, coriander, and turmeric powder, stirring for 30 seconds. It's time to bring our curry together. Pour in 1 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, stirring it well with the aromatic base. Then, add about 1/2 cup of water or vegetable broth to achieve the desired consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and once it's bubbling lightly, add your thoroughly rinsed kidney beans. Let everything cook together for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and the curry to thicken slightly. Almost done. For a final burst of warmth and aroma, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Taste your curry and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Before serving, sprinkle generously with about 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro. It adds a lovely freshness. This delicious, hearty kidney bean curry is perfect served hot alongside fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or any flatbread you prefer. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.